Hi guys, welcome to Jada. So in this one, I'm going to be showing you how to create a blog using WordPress as the backend. So this will be headless WordPress blog. Now, why do we want this? Because WordPress itself provides a front end, right? This is in case you want the complete control of the site, and also you want to provide a better user experience to your users. This is possible if you're using a faster front end like the Sveltekit. I am running WordPress in my local. It's possible because of this Bitnami WordPress package. It's you can install it whichever machine you're using. I'll leave the link in the description. And once you get it running, you can add some dummy posts, and that's it. So by default, the APIs will work. We don't have to use any GraphQL or anything for this. Let me show you the site, how it looks like. This is the one. Now if I go to wp-json /wp/v version 2 /posts, this is the URL that should work. So when you go to this, you should see a JSON with all the posts listed here. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 posts. So once you get this, you can actually start pulling this in your Sveltekit app. So I have a basic Sveltekit setup, and I will serve this here. So this is a skeleton app. So just localhost 3000. Yeah, this is the one. Let's zoom this in a little bit. Let's start with the posts, all of them. Let's try to pull all the posts. For now, we'll have the script and the context. We'll work on the load function first. So this is where we're going to fetch the API, but this is not the right way to do it. You will have to use an endpoint. But for now, we are using this because we want to see whether we get all the posts. Export const load. And here we want few things, which is I think it's fetch. That should be enough. And we want this URL to be somewhere available. This URL available. Now we'll create a file for that, but for now we'll just use it right away. Const response equals fetch. This will be asynchronous function because we have to wait for the response to come in, and here we'll give the URL directly. I think I misspelled it. Okay, now we have to return something. Let's const posts equals response.json. Now let's return that as one of the prop posts. Right, now here we'll just show that in the front end, json.stringify what posts. Now the JSON should appear in our front end as well. That's what we did. Cannot load. Okay, localhost is not okay. I missed one of those. Maybe I should use HTTP. Let's see. Let me add HTTP. That posts not defined. Okay, what is this? Okay, so we are not getting it. So use a normal script to get that prop. Once you do it, you can refresh and you should be seeing the posts. But for now, I'm not getting that as well. Why is that? I have to await. These are some basic things I'm forgetting here. You'll have to wait for the response body to be parsed. Okay, we got it. It's messy. we can make it look good. That's easy with an each function. I'll put this below. I'll have a each function here. Each posts as post, and each here we'll have h2, which is a post dot title. I think it's not just title, it has to be rendered as well. It's something I've seen. Let's search for title here. Title, if you look at this, title is an object, and in rendered we have that text, so dot rendered, and we'll have the description as well. Post dot description. This is also dot rendered. I think it's excerpt, not description. Yeah, it is excerpt, but it's HTML. It seems like. Let's do add HTML. You can just do add HTML here, and that should render as HTML. Okay, so we wouldn't be needing this anymore. Now, yes, we got the posts. Maybe we'll have a heading as well here, h1. Blog or something. Yeah, this looks good. In order to make it look a little better, to make it look maybe in the middle or something, I'll just add a layout quickly. This step is not necessary. I'll have a division dot wrapper or something, and then I'll put the slot or all the other content inside. Now I can style this wrapper. You can use other frameworks like Tailwind, Bootstrap or something here, but I'm just using some styles. Margin 0 auto, but I'll make the width smaller, 60 VW. That's 60% of the width. Actually 50 is enough, I think. This looks good. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is enough. But the thing is, you can actually get rid of it. It has a class called moreLink. Now what we can do is go here, or here itself. You have to use global though. Global dot more link. Make sure you don't use this class anywhere else. Display none. Now what happens is we don't see that link. We didn't want that link because if we click on that link, it goes to the WordPress page. We don't want that. Now we have the list of posts. What we want. Okay, so it looks like we are getting something. I mean, it's an apostrophe, I think. So let's see what's happening. Here I can use add HTML as well. Let's see if that takes care of it. Yeah, that did. All right, now this is our post list, and then we'll have a link as well. href it goes somewhere, and something like read more. Okay, so when somebody clicks on read more, it has to go somewhere. Now first thing is, let's fix this. So we shouldn't be directly making the query to the resource here. We should use a route for this. So I'm gonna create a folder inside routes called API, and then here I'll create posts.json.js, which will do the work for us. Now in posts, we'll have a get function. And now we'll make that same request. I mean, I can just copy paste here, I think. Okay, so we'll get it here. Then we have to return it in the body. We'll have a status of 200. I'm not handling errors here. If you want, you can do that. Body, we'll just put the posts in the body. Now in our index, instead of trying to hit the resource, we'll try to hit /API/posts.json. Now that should get the same thing, so we don't need any more changes, I think. Oh, something wrong. Okay, posts. Let's see what is console dot log posts. Let me refresh. So it says token. Okay, so this is because we did not make this an asynchronous function. Only then you can use await there. And now it should work as usual. And we are getting all the posts here. It's huge. Let me remove that console. So we got the list of all our posts here in this one. In the next one, I'll show you how to create a route for the individual posts. Thanks guys. Bye bye.